Can you see yesterday's homework? Okay, the PDF, can you see? Can you see the PDF? Everyone, please reply. Can you see the PDF on the screen? Everyone, please reply. I have shared one document, PDF document. Yes? Good, good, good. All right. You tried to solve this? Tell me, everyone. I given you this as a homework, right? How many of you have solved? Reply me in the chat box. How many of you have solved this? Reply me in the chat box. How many of you have tried this? Anyone? Yani, Varun, Radha, Prajwal, Mitali, Surekha, Ashna. Everyone, tell me. Have you tried this? Yes, no? You tried to solve this homework or not? Good, good. Yes, sir, we tried it. Fine. So let us today solve this homework, okay? Let us today try to solve this one, okay? Now you people will tell me the answer of first question. What is the first question? The body whose position with respect to surrounding does not change, okay? With respect to surrounding, position is not changing. Position does not change means position is not changing. So it is said to be in the state of option A, B, C and D. Everyone, this should be the very easy task for you. Object is at rest. If the object position is not changing, we will say, sir, object is at rest and not as motion. Okay, answer is not motion. Answer is not oscillation. Answer is not vibration. Answer is object is at rest. Okay, object is at rest. Okay. Just a second. Next. Wait for a second. For that, I need to close this one. Second question. In case of a moving body, which of the following is always true? Distance is always more than, displacement is always more than distance. Displacement is always less than distance. Displacement can be more than or equal to distance. And finally, displacement is always less than or equal to distance. For a moving body. Everyone try. Question 2. Option A, B, C, D. Everyone give the replies. Which of the following is the true? Displacement is always more. Displacement is always less. Displacement can be more than or equal to distance. And displacement can be less than or equal to distance. Which of the following is true? Everyone try it. And tell me the answer. I think I have already taught you this one. Let's say this is the first point. Just give me a second. Why it's not writing? Let's say this is the first point. Let's say this is the second point, and let's say this is any general path. Let's say this is any general path. Okay, so this any general path length will be equal to distance, and the shortest path length is equal to displacement. So for this situation, displacement is less than distance. Displacement is less than distance because this dotted line is the shortest path. Shortest path length is called as displacement, which is less than the distance. Okay, distance is the actual path traveled. Okay, so for this situation, now let's say the second situation is, this is the first point, this is the last point, and this is the actual path traveled. Straight line path is the actual path. In this case, sir, distance is equal to displacement. In this case, displacement is equal to distance. So displacement can be less than the distance, or displacement can be equal to distance. For the straight line path, okay, for the straight line path, distance and displacement both are equal. And for the any general path, displacement is the shortest path, so displacement will be less than the distance. So which option we will select? Now everyone reply in the chat box. Which option we shall select from these two conditions for the motion of a moving body? Which is the correct answer? Very good, Prajwal, Varun. Sir, here we shall select option, yes, option D. Perfect. Option D. All of you give the correct answer. Okay. So, sir, here we have to select option D. That is, displacement can be less than the distance, just like in the first case. This is the total path length traveled, which is called as distance, and displacement is the shortest path. In this situation, displacement is less than the distance, and for this situation, displacement is equal to distance. Okay, fine. Next, question number 3. Read the question number 3 and try to give the answer. What is the question? A body is said to be in motion if its position with respect to surrounding objects remains same, its position with respect to surrounding objects keep on changing, both A and B, neither A neither B. When to say in motion? Yes, Yani, Prajwal. When to say object is in motion? बोला बाळांनो, everyone. When its position with respect to surrounding keeps on changing. Very good, Radha. जेव्हा बाळांनो ऑब्जेक्टची पोझिशन जी आहे, that position is changing with respect to surrounding, in that case you will say the object in motion, or the body is in motion. Okay, next. Distance is always, question number 4. Distance is always ABCD. Shortest length between 2 points, path covered by an object between 2 points, product of length and time, and none of the above. What is that?